Let's turn to our Get Real India story. Now, you will recall a few years ago, Hyderabad Central University was in the eye of a storm over the suicide of a student, Rohit Vemula. Among others, Rahul Gandhi had raised the issue, saying a student from the Dalit community had been targeted. It is, all these years later, once again, students versus the state in Telangana. Only this time, the Congress is the government in power there. Hyderabad Central University has turned into a political battlefield over the last few days, with students protesting against the auction of land for an IT park. The Revanth Reddy government claims the land belongs to the government, while the BJP is alleging police high-handedness against the university students. It all seems to have changed as to who is facing the students' ire, from Rohit Vemula to now the latest controversy. Get Real India.
Hyderabad University rocked by protests. Revanth Reddy government versus students over the auction of the university's 400-acre land for an IT park. The students claim the auctioned land is part of the university, leading to a mass boycott of classes against what they call illegal encroachment.
Why can't you feel the pain of the creatures in the university? There are so many species which are going to extinct, and we want to protect our land along with the diversity.
ये लैंड एचयू की है, थी और रहेगी. ये रेवंत रेड्डी सरकार सुन ले. वो जमीन सरकार की नहीं थी.
On Monday, cops cracked down on protesting students.
We were peacefully protesting in our own land. We have denied the freedom of speech and freedom of expression. I would like to ask the Congress-led government and to Rahul Gandhi, where is your Mohabbat ki dukan right now? Where is your red constitution right now?
But the university fight has taken a political turn. BJP claims high-handedness by Revanth Reddy, while the Congress claims the land belongs to the government, not the university.
Whether it belongs to SU or not, if the land belongs to the government, does it mean that any land belonging to the government has to be auctioned and sold? This is the fate of the Telangana, that the Congress government is following the same policy of the TRS. TRS then similarly has auctioned hundreds and hundreds of acres of land, thousands of acres of land, and minted money.
They just wanted to mislead the people. Now they are alleging my chief minister, saying that he is selling some properties and running the government. Then what should I tell when in the last 10 years, Narendra Modi has disinvested so much of PSUs? You take Air India, you take LIC, you take recently, they were supposed to sell that Vishaka steel plant also.
The BJP's youth wing has now declared a Chalo HCU march, likely to trigger a big escalation. BRS's KT Ramarao also lashed out at the Congress, reminding Rahul Gandhi of his visits at the Hyderabad University during the Rohit Vemula showdown. The Telangana government will continue to clear the forest land next to the university, despite the students demanding the auction be called off. With Abdul Bashir in Hyderabad, Bureau Report, India Today.